In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your SimplyBook.me booking page step by step. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to manage appointments for your business, you've come to the right place. SimplyBook.me is a fantastic tool that can streamline the booking process for you and your clients, making it both efficient and user-friendly. Let's jump right in by heading to SimplyBook.me. Simply launch your preferred web browser and type the URL into the address bar. Once there, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Get Started Free. This option allows you to create an account without any initial cost, which is perfect for small businesses or those just starting out. You'll be prompted to enter some of your business details at this point. Go ahead and type in your business name, your email address, and create a secure password. You'll also need to choose an industry that matches your business from the given options like beauty, coaching, or fitness. This step helps tailor the platform to better suit your specific needs. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where the real customization starts. The next step is to add services. Consider the different offerings you provide and make a list. If you run a salon, for example, services might include haircuts, coloring, or styling sessions. This is your chance to define the specifics of what clients can book online, so take your time to think it through. After setting up your services, you'll want to add providers. These are the people or team members who will deliver the services you listed. Enter each provider's name and any specific skills or specialties they have. This can be a great way to showcase their expertise and ensure clients book with the person best suited to their needs. The last customization step involves setting your business hours. Let's set the days and times your business is open so clients know when they can book appointments. It's important to make these hours realistic for your business flow and team capacity, and that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a professional booking page with SimplyBook.me. You'll now find it much easier to manage appointments and provide your clients with a seamless booking experience. Remember, you can always return to your dashboard to make adjustments as your business grows or your needs change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you efficiently manage your appointments and improve client interactions. Until next time, take care and happy booking.